Hi, I'm Sam and I'm going to be showing you some of the key editing tasks in Logic Pro X. The most useful productivity tips involve finding your way around your project fast. I use these all of the time. By holding the Control and Alt keys down, you can create a zoom tool which allows you to move in and really focus in on what you're doing, or zoom out to see your whole project in one easy go. You can also use key commands to zoom in and out of your project. The Apple down arrow gives each track greater depth, while the Apple right arrow zooms into the timeline. Note how the zooming centers around the playhead, so you never really lose that. To see more of your project, use the Apple left arrow or the Apple up arrow keys. To zoom into a particular selected region, you can use the Z key, which toggles between zooming into the region and zooming back out again. Now you can move about your project, you need a way of identifying regions and tracks. You can name a region by selecting it and using the region parameter box to type in a new name. You can name a track the same way by selecting it and then using the track parameter box. Colouring makes your track easier to understand and follow. Alt-C brings up the colour palette, and anything you have selected will be coloured in with the colour of your choice. Markers help you organise your tracks. You can view the marker channel using this button. Move your cursor to the spot you want the marker to start, and then select Add Marker. You can then name and colour your marker as appropriate. Once you have your project organised, you can start editing the regions in it. Trimming lets you resize a region. We can use the Control-Alt-Zoom tool to focus in on our particular region. Then moving our cursor to the bottom corner gives us the Trim tool. And we can use this to fine-tune the length of our region, either making it longer or shorter. We can test the accuracy of our trim by setting up a cycle loop. Just drag along the bar marker to display the cycle bar. Note how the info box shows us how long the cycle is. To make sure the join between the regions is seamless, you can set up a crossfade. Use the Escape key to bring up the Tools menu and then select the Fade tool. Moving right from a join fades the right-hand region, while moving left creates a crossfade, perfect for seamlessly joining the two regions together. To join the regions together permanently, use the Escape key to bring up the Tools menu and select the Glue tool. Clicking on the join between two selected regions will merge them. In some cases, this will result in a new audio file being created. To help ensure your regions are correctly placed, Logic has a grid system. You can set the scale of the grid using the Snap drop-down. The scale goes from bar length to individual beats and ticks. So there are some useful productivity and editing tips in Logic Pro X. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Thanks for watching.